All right, so you got your Firestick set up using a disposable hide my email from your Apple account. We can use a disposable email. Now we need to sideload some apps. So go to settings, go down to My Fire TV. Now highlight where it says about. Now click the select button 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. One step away. No need, you're already a developer. So now we are in developer mode. And now we've got developer options. Click on developer options. Apps from unknown sources. Turn that on. So there you go, now we can go to the App Store and install as many apps as you like and get rid of your Amazon account once you're finished and have a fully functioning Firestick without being locked down to Amazon. So now we can go to the App Store, go to search. Let's start with getting the downloader. Press D, go down to downloader. So now we can go to the App Store, go to search. Let's start with getting the downloader. Press D, go down to downloader. Now you can download downloader, which you can enter URLs, but the most popular, you can get codes from places like Reddit and Facebook, etc. And you can download all the cool apps to get free movies and free programs. So we'll get that one first. And then from there, the world is your oyster. You can download heaps of cool apps. So for instance, let's go code 28907. Oops. Press go. Redirecting 0 seconds. All right, now let's go down to, we've got heaps to choose from. Let's go down to movies. Once it loads. Gaming. So you've got Cody right there, that's cool. If you want to learn how to use that. So here's all your movies and TV. All right, Cinema HD, that's a good one. Let's get Cinema HD. Just close these ads, they're no drama. Heaps of comments to say it's awesome. Let's download ad-free. All right, install. Open Sesame. Going on here. Accept. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. There you go. Let's see what we've got here. These are all TV shows. Popular movies. Game of Thrones. Let's see if that works. Season 8 of Game of Thrones. Play. It's just one app. You can get heaps of cool apps. Different movies and TV shows. Select 1080p. Play. Game of Thrones. HBO. In 1080p. So there you go, that's how you sideload your Amazon Firestick to get some cool content for free. Beauty! Actually, here's another cool one, Flix Vision. Highly recommend Flix Vision. That's got some really cool stuff on it. 67.4 megabytes. I'll speed this up for you. Or not. It's actually pretty fast. Imagine doing this on dial-up internet. Take about 3 days. Install. blah, 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 blah. Install. Yep, that's the one. There you go. Heaps of more cool movies and stuff. Let's just see what we've got here. The Dark Knight. Let's just see if one of these works. Play. 1080p. Dark Knight from Flix Vision. Play. Go. Look at that. And that's awesome quality as well. It's even got surround sound. Dark Knight. So there you go, Flix Vision, another cool app. And there's many more you can browse through as well. Beauty.